The previous owner of this 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide is a master of understatement. A whole lot of customization, custom parts. I don't know what it's called, but it looks cool. Caps over the axles. Black gloss engine guard instead of chrome. Floorboards. Shifter lever. Guess you could call them mini apes. They're slightly taller than stock. Clutch lever. Front brake lever. Bike only has 5,142 miles on it as of this moment. The insert on the tank is different. The fuel cover is different. It's gloss black instead of chrome. The seat. It's a whole lot of very subtle customization, parts, etc. 2-in-1 black matte exhaust system. Check some miles, some sounds here. 5,142 again. Sounds as good as it looks. Different grips. What a great opportunity to take advantage of somebody else's work and money. This is one beautiful black Road Glide and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.